welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a fun Valentine's Day look. It's not going to be soft glam, it's not going to be smoky, it's going to be fun. Like Galentine's Day look. Let's just call it that. It's going to be a Galentine's Day, Valentine's Day look. So without further ado, we're just going to dive into this video real quick. I have actually already did all my face makeup. So I'm actually going to be using two eyeshadow palettes today in this look. It's going to be the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and then the Sugar Trip NYX palette. So I'm just going to start with this really pretty pink one there. And I'm just going to work that all into the crease. Now then I'm going to go into the shade below it and work that into the crease as well, just to deepen it up a little bit. And then just kind of work your way up into the top part there to blend the colors together. And then I'm going to go into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette into this hot pink shade here. I'm going to take more of a stiffer defining brush and work that into the outer corner and then into the inner corner. And then I'm going to go in with my Cover FX. These are the Shimmer Veil in Amethyst. And I'm actually just going to use the applicator, super simple. And we're just going to put this right in the middle of the eye. And then we're just going to take a kind of more defined smudger brush and we're just going to blend that kind of into the colors next to it to where it kind of looks like that. So if you ladies are doing like a Galentine's Day party or anything, I've always, you know, envisioned, I don't do like go out type parties, but if you're throwing a party at home, I always feel like I want to have like as much sparkle on my face that I can. And then we're going to do something else that's really fun, because remember, this is a fun look. We're going to go ahead and create a heart here on the side, kind of like so. Because I'm all about, like, I love drawing little things on my faces for the holidays. And that is it. Throw some mascara on and you are good to go. So to finish off this look, I want to just go ahead and add on a quick lip. And sometimes in the winter, these months, I don't like to do liquid lipstick, so I'm just going to be using this Buxom gloss. It's in the shade Dolly, which is really pretty. It just adds a little bit of pink to the lips and a lot of shine. So that is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this fun little Galentine's Day look. It's really fun, it's really easy, and you can do it really quickly. So don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.